Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance. We all know the struggle of keeping track of our money. Receipts pile up, bank accounts blur together, and budgets become a distant memory. That's where budgeting apps like Mint come in. They promise a one-stop shop for managing your finances, but have you ever wondered, does Mint work everywhere? If you're planning a move abroad or just curious about global finance tools, this video is for you. We'll be exploring the world of Mint, uncovering which countries it supports and offering some alternatives if you find yourself outside its reach. The American Dream and Mint. Mint's story starts in the United States. Launched in 2006, it quickly became a popular tool for budget-conscious Americans. Its key feature? Account aggregation. Mint connects securely to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts, giving you a holistic view of your finances. But what about our friends to the north? In 2010, Mint took a big step by launching a dedicated Canadian version. This was a game-changer, allowing Canadians to track their finances with features tailored to their specific banking system and currency. Beyond the borders, a look at global limitations. So far, so good, right? But the world is a big place, and unfortunately, Mint's availability doesn't stretch quite that far. As of today, Mint remains primarily focused on the US and Canadian markets. There's no official support for other countries. Why the limitation? Here are a couple of reasons. Banking regulations. Different countries have varying regulations around data security and financial information sharing. Expanding to new regions means navigating a complex web of legalities. Market specificity. Financial institutions and how people manage money can differ greatly between countries. Tailoring Mint's features for each market requires significant investment. The alternatives, budgeting beyond borders. So, if you're outside the US or Canada and can't use Mint, fear not. The world of personal finance apps is vast and ever-growing. Here are a few options to consider. In-app, you need a budget. This app focuses on a specific budgeting method and offers account linking in many countries. Monify, simple and user-friendly, Monify allows manual expense tracking and budgeting across various currencies. Emma, this UK-based app boasts strong account aggregation for European users. Remember, when choosing an alternative, research data security practices and compatibility with your specific location's financial institutions. The future of global finance apps. The world is becoming increasingly interconnected, and the demand for global budgeting tools is bound to grow. We might see Mint expanding its reach in the future, or perhaps new players will emerge to cater to international markets. In the meantime, explore the alternatives we mentioned, and remember, managing your finances is all about finding a system that works for you, no matter where you call home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.